Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, leather wrapped steering wheel, cloth seat trim, low tire pressure warning. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.